This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
इस कदर वाकिफ है मेरी कलम मेरी जज्बातों से, इस कदर वाकिफ है मेरी कलम मेरी जज्बातों से, मैं इश्क भी लिखना चाहूँ तो इनकलाब लिखना सीख जाता है.
So first thing is that in the India people, so many people are uneducated. So how can they read the newspaper? But the people can listen. But the people can listen the news on the TV channels. So that's why the TV channel is very important in the India.
So how can you say that all the students are reading or writing on the print media?
Paperwork.
They are not using electronic media.
Paperwork give you evidence. Paperwork give you evidence. If you are paid any money to your teacher, you give he give you a slip. And if you want, it is necessary to work hard or get success in your life.
Yes.
There is no shortcut in your life. Success for your life, in your life. जीवन में सफलता पाने के लिए आपको कड़ी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है सफलता के लिए.
Good morning, my panelists. I am Captain Arvaz Ansari, and today we're gonna debate on a topic: print media versus electronic media. Before starting debate, I want to deliver two lines. I am in favor of print media because it's from ancient time. It is been happening. All the news and other important informations and all the bulletins were put on a print media from ancient time. Nowadays, it's also a craze of print media because if every professional work and is done been in print media, every proof has been printed in print media. If you going to any court or any other law or station in judiciary, they need only print media, not they're not applicable for electronic media because nowadays electronic media is spreading fake news and fake videos. So be aware from electronic media, and so I strongly believe in print media.
That print media is a they are prefer print media, and also there are so many cases I always see the CCTV camera helps to us to see the to catch any thieves also.
And now I am share print media. Print media provide you a reliability and speed and credibility and reliability.
Yeah.
Which is the most important for our country, because your electronic media is spread fake news.
Yeah.
And our print media is give reliability
Yeah.
and credibility.
Yeah.
And in depth analysis, reader controls.
Let me complete. In printing fake news, so fake news. I always see they are going for collecting news, and they print media in our opinion. They're not.
How can you say that?
I always see that if you read newspaper, you have to see they're always printing fake news also.
No. If give me
I
one example.
always see Palm Paradise. I'm talking about Palm Paradise. They said that our Palm Paradise are given by our poor, but they are not given by poor. They are given by rich people. They are who comes in EWS.
Do you know?
Yeah, I know.
How do you know which system they get to people?
Yeah, what? Yeah, I know.
By lottery system, they know.
I wanna say side before our debate session electronic media and print media. विवादों से तेरा नाता है और क्या तुझे आता है, सवाल उठाकर चले गए जवाब देना नहीं आता है, बनावटी है तेरी सहानुभूति फायदा उठाना तुझे आता है, कुछ चालाकियां दिखाकर खुद को बड़ा दिखाना तुझे आता है. I am also favor of the electronic media because it is the real time media. You also hear the news in the real time, not waiting for the next day 12 hours. You also hear the news for your city and other country details. You cannot go to the other country to hear the news of other country news. Because electronic media also all over the world, for print media is not all over the world. If suppose you want to know about the America city, you also go to the print the, you also go to the America and also print a newspaper and read it. You also, if electronic media, you can also read the news anytime, anywhere.
अरविंद भाई ask question कि if we know America's news, then we go America and know about it.
Yeah.
But in print media, we also know about the news. You read newspaper. There is also print who is
Little bit amount. You
Eh,
cannot you cannot also search any topic, any details you in America. You also search some little bit of because in print media
that is enough for
because print
that is
media-
enough for you. They not print more than out of your syllabus. They print only if that is enough for you. Your improve your knowledge, not improve
you are a
your,
student. You are a student. Search a job. You are search a college in America country. You some college or university also details in print media, but in electronic media also search many cities and also
Uh,
details.
how can you say that electronic media is better for the study in America? Because your electronic media,
If
you
any
want to search anything, your
Excuse me,
teacher
sir, excuse
provide,
me, if
provide
any- if-
a
if-
written
if-
notes, and your
Excuse me, sir,
electronic media
excuse me,
only-
sir.
only verbally say.
Excuse me, sir.
Let me complete. Let
Excuse me, sir.
complete.
How can you say that print media, all the students also write or read?
There is a evidence.
Let me speak.
If
Let me
you are
complete,
taking,
sir.
if you are
Let me
watching
speak, sir.
percentage,
How can you
please
say
let
that
me
all the
complete.
students are reading with print media? All the electronic devices, all the education channels are not going well, are not teaching well. About Khan sir, Gaurav sir, all the
If you are-
study
yeah,
channel are not well.
do you know how many students are study in Khan sir in a classroom? Classroom? How many students are study?
Many many
A
students
lot
are
of students.
but
A lot
more
of
than
students
enough, more than enough,
also-
more than
Please
enough
let me
about
complete.
more
Please
than
let me
enough
complete.
about
Let me complete. And one student are studying electronic through electronic, and one student going to the face-to-face class.
But
there is.
but
please
all the
please
students
let
not
me
going to
complete.
the not going to
Please
the
let me
Patna
complete.
and not
who-
reading the in
student
Khan
who-
sir coaching.
who
Also
take-
they are also
who
using
ta-
mobile phone and also studying
Please let me
in our
complete.
home.
the student who take
Let me
offline
complete.
classes, then they are more better than online students.
Yeah. Offline classes is best than online classes, because one student going for the offline classes, he meet each others and contact with the other student, and also.
First thing is that in the India, so many people are uneducated. So how can they read the newspaper? But the people can listen. But the people can listen the news on the TV channels. So that's why the TV channel is very important in the India. Second thing is that
uneducated people, they can't read the magazine.
yeah.
They prefer to only visualization.
The only man who cannot read and write.
Yeah, let him.
see the newspaper also.
Second thing is that we are living in the we crossed the 75 year from the freedom, and this is era of AI, and we are growing in the technology. That's why we should favor in the technology and the electronic media, not the print media, because the gone are the days. That was the old profession to read the newspaper. Nowadays we can open the mobile phone and we can see the videos on the electronic media. That's why we favor on the electronic media. News like election is going on the Bihar, and when the election result will come, then the electronic media instant give you the news which party is winning. And if you go in the print media, then you have to wait one day. After when one day the news will you get. That's why electronic media is there.
That 70% people are uneducated in our country.
No, I did not give any.
Mention any. Most of the people
Yeah.
are uneducated in our country.
Right.
So politely, I want to say that that's why your electronic media is making fool them, because they are uneducated. Your electronic media has spreading
My
fake news
point was
that they
that-
have, that they have.
My
that they-
point was that they are uneducated, not fools. They
that's
can
why you are
understand
making-
what is right
they
and
are,
what is
they
wrong.
are not literate. That's why you are making fool them. You are spreading fake news. You are brainwash them through the AI.
What
and
about you? Also, your print news is also fake in getting
Yeah,
news.
yeah. No,
I
no.
always
How I will
I
I will
have
give you
newspaper-
many of examples of
Yeah.
the media that
Yeah.
have spread huge.
I
a large
will
amount of
also
fake
I will
news.
also see you.
You have not seen. Give me an example.
Why
Where
not?
You seen?
I will see you the Palm Paradise news. I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you see? And also, I will see you the Operation Sindoor Times. You are
Yeah,
you
your
see.
electronic media has
Your-
covered electronic media.
It's
has
okay.
No, okay, no,
It's okay.
okay. No, okay. How is
Why,
okay?
why you zero?
How
Because
is okay?
why your print media is also getting fake news?
No.
Why are you saying that?
Instantly, your electronic media instantly brainwashed of our country
Yeah.
and our
So you are- so your-
our gentlemen.
So your print media is also brainwashing.
Gentlemen
Yeah.
of our country thinking that our country is being strong.
Yeah.
Our country has covered the Pakistan, Islamabad, and other things. Because you have they are brainwashed. Due to your electronic media, there is a lot of chances in anywhere to religious protest and other things, and casteism. You also supporting casteism due to electronic media. You have to explain properly to our people, because our people are not illiterate, not able to decide what is wrong and what is right. So you have to make understandable, but.
So your question was that electronic media increasing casteism.
Yeah,
How?
last of a protest also.
So if you are protesting from something and electronic media taking news, so it is good, because if your voice will not raise our media, so how can your voice go to our government?
Yeah, your electronic media only covers that topic that make religious protest. Not you see that in favor of government. You see that SSC protest. How many medias have covered them? Your media has
So
covered only.
it is not fault of media, it is fault of some.
And respected Biraj sir, you say that in India many people are uneducated. So there is a necessary to first you provide you give you should be educated him. पहले आप उनको educated करिए. If a person uneducated, he listen news on audio or visualize, that will be good for his listening ear for the news, for knowing the news. And he does not spread your knowledge and does not वो अपना नॉलेज को नहीं बढ़ा सकता. अगर वो आपकी ऑडियो केवल सुनता रहा तो अपने नॉलेज को कैसे बढ़ाएगा? बट when he reading a newspaper, they spread his mind, they spread his knowledge. वो अपनी listening power, अपना पढ़ने की भी शक्ति बढ़ाएगा और सोचने की भी शक्ति उसकी बढ़ेगी. And your electronic media make me fool. And your electronic media want to we are हम हमेशा के लिए मूर्ख बने रहे.
No, it's like a people who cannot read the newspaper. Like my mother is not, she cannot read the newspaper, but she can watch the videos.
But there is option. Please let me. I will answer. Please let me complete. If a family member is has 10 members, anybody are educated. One person are sitting here and he reading newspaper and everybody are listen.
You are saying,
And it create ये एक अलग माहौल भी पैदा करेगा. अगर एक पर्सन खड़े होके घर में न्यूज को सुनाता है हिंदी में ही, तो एक अलग माहौल घर में क्रिएट होगा जो आपके बच्चे सीखेंगे, आपके बड़े सीखेंगे और आपसे इम्प्रेस होंगे. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ प्रिंट मीडिया.
So they are.
Yeah. Your question is that no one speak, no one watch
Yeah.
Newspaper.
About Abi sir. Abi sir say that
according to whom?
yeah.
So basically it is about. So that's why many of
You
many
also
of- no, no,
saying
many of people many of people who are unable to read newspaper.
Yeah.
That's why you are making fake videos and make fake voices and provide speed.
But excuse me, sir, excuse me.
Listen.
But all the people they are